For Patek Philippe customer service, there is, I would say, different missions. The first is to ensure the customer are able to give his watches to the next generation. And in order to have this commitment, we have to have a very strong customer service, not only in Geneva, but also around the world. Today, we have around 57 service centers with more than 200 watchmakers. We master the network from Geneva to be sure that all of them are really in line with our expectation. Patek Philippe recommends to service a watch every 3 to 5 years. For 3 years, mainly concern high complication watches and non-waterproof watches, which are more affected by dust or something like this. For the rest of the collection, the recommendation is to make a service every 5 years. It's mainly due to the reason of oiling, because the movement, the mechanical movement, but even the quartz movement has to function with oil. It means that every 5 years this oil has to be replaced. And if you don't replace this oil, then you can have some spare parts which will be a little bit more frequent wear. It means that then you will need to maybe change a little bit more parts during the next service. Patek Philippe invests a lot of time to be sure that within the customer service network, the service is equivalent in the United States or Russia or in Asia. We're investing a lot of energy just to be sure that those service centers respect the guidelines and the recommendation which given by Patek Philippe. For instance, just to be sure that the watchmakers have been trained by Patek Philippe. And it's not just a training about watchmaking, it's really a training directly linked to the specificity of Patek Philippe product. We ensure that within our network, you're going to have the right watchmaker, you're going to have the right tools, we're going to have the right procedure to be sure that the quality will be respected.